Are you looking for an easy, natural way to improve your health? Then why not try garlic water? Garlic has long been used for its health benefits, but when it's combined with water, its effects become even more powerful. In this video, we are going to take a look at the most surprising health benefits of garlic water. Number 7. Boost skin health. Garlic water can help to improve the appearance and health of your skin. Its antibacterial properties can help to reduce acne, while the antioxidants in garlic can help to reduce wrinkles and other signs of aging. Number 6. Helps to fight cancer. Studies suggest that garlic water can help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. The antioxidants in garlic help to reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can help to prevent the growth of cancerous cells. Number 5. Good for the heart. Garlic water can help to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. It can also reduce inflammation in the arteries, which can lead to a healthier heart. Number 4. Aids in weight loss. Garlic water can help you lose weight in 2 ways. First, it helps your body to burn more calories. Second, it can help reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. Number 3. Cleanses the body. Garlic water is a great way to cleanse the body of toxins and waste. The sulfur compounds in garlic can help flush out impurities from the body, leaving you feeling healthier and more energized. Number 2. Improves digestion. Garlic water can help improve digestion by stimulating the digestive juices and helping the body to break down food more easily. It also encourages the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut, which helps to keep the digestive system operating properly. And number 1. Strengthens the immune system. The antioxidants in garlic are especially effective at strengthening the body's natural immunity. These antioxidants help fight viruses, bacteria, and other harmful agents that can weaken the immune system. When is it best to consume garlic water? Garlic water is best consumed first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This is because garlic is known to improve digestion and stimulate stomach acid production. Additionally, it is recommended to drink garlic water every morning and evening for the best results. When drinking garlic water, you should make sure to use lukewarm water to preserve its beneficial properties and make it more palatable. How to make it? To make garlic water, you will need fresh garlic cloves, water, and a bit of honey to taste. Peel and chop the garlic cloves and place them in a blender with the water. Blend until the garlic is completely blended. Strain the liquid and add a tablespoon of honey to sweeten it. Drink your garlic water warm or cold and enjoy its many health benefits. Garlic water is a great way to improve your overall health and well-being. The health benefits are numerous, and it's easy to make at home. Have you tried it before? Leave a comment below and let us know how did it make you feel. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on how to stay healthy and fit naturally. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.